Hi there everyone, this is a video demo, a review of Bilt Hamber's Auto-wheel wheel cleaner. I first came across this after using their Corosol iron fallout remover product, and someone recommended this to me. My existing method of cleaning wheels is just using an ordinary bodywork shampoo and putting a lot of elbow grease in with the brushes and the sponges to get all the grime out. But I picked this up, and to be honest, I've been blown away by the results. So the best way to share that with you, I guess, is show you. So you can get it in a 1 litre bottle. Comes ready mixed, so you don't need to dilute it or anything. Or you can buy 5 litres. I wouldn't say this product is cheap. I can't remember the price it comes in at off the top of my head. But its effectiveness and the time it saves, I would say makes up for that. So anyway, let's put it to use and see how good it is. Okay, so here we are. This is a wheel on my daily driver, Volvo S60. What you see here is about 3 weeks worth of road grime and filth. Here I've got the Bilt Hamber Auto-wheel wheel cleaner. Excuse the different bottle it's in. I just went to film this part of the video and I had the Bilt Hamber pump handle sprayer locked off, and I snapped the trigger straight off. So here we go, take 2. So I'm just going to spray this on liberally all over the wheel. And we're going to leave that to sit for a good few minutes. So you see I've got a stopwatch going there. So I'm probably going to play this back at like 4 or 5 times speed now because it's boring. And then I'll get the brushes out, give it a brush round, agitate the solution, and then rinse it off, and we'll see what we're dealing with. Okay guys, we're about at 3 minutes now, so that means it's time to get the brushes out. There you go. I've worked the product in, just so it has a better chance at all those tough areas. And we're approaching 5 minutes. So once we hit 5 minutes, we'll rinse off under pressure and see what we're left with. Okay guys, and that's 5 minutes. Here we come with a pressure washer. Wipe the camera a bit, and there we go. As you can see, I think you'll agree we're left with rather a clean wheel. So better look. And I know there's many wheel cleaners out there, and they all probably claim to do something similar. I've used a few of them, I won't name them, but what I can certainly say is that getting this result with just normal bodywork shampoo and elbow grease is a lot harder than what we just saw. Anyway guys, just rounding up, I think we can, well at least I could see, I hope you could as well, I think you could see the effectiveness of Bilt Hamber Auto-wheel and just how effortlessly it removed, it's got to be close to 100% of the grime from that wheel. So this product receives a 10 out of 10 from me. Like I say, the pricing I'll have to double check. Maybe I'll add something after the video, after the filming, sorry. But absolutely, I'd recommend this to anyone who isn't already using an equally effective wheel cleaning product, if there is one. And that's me. This is my first video, so I hope you like it. If you want to see any more from me, please feel free to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Cheers, bye.